Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing September 2023 Patreon Part 6 for D&D prints, Warhammer Proxy, anime figures, and so forth. If you do enjoy, subscribe, like, and share. And if you want me to look at some other Patreons, or if you ones that you really like to print, leave it down in the comments below as well. So we have Cast and Play, another D&D figures that I really do enjoy. So I know we have a space whale type of thing as well, and a whole bunch of stuff that we'll be looking through. This is your throwback. We have your kraken, the sea dragon, crabs, and so forth. A lot of sea stuff for it. So we have a merfolk queen, uh, triton, I believe. Queen's brute. I do like that a lot. That's kind of fun because I have a lot of these sea creatures from several years ago, and now we have a lot of cool looking ones after a few years later. So, sea dragons with merfolks. There are a lot of merfolks for it. Crabs, goblin shark. We have, I think, Queen Leviathan. So it's not a space whale, it's just a big ass whale. We have shark folk or reefer marauder. We have terrains. I do love my terrains, and the base looks awesome. I like that swirl for it. Next, 3D print forge. For Warhammer, it looks like we're having trolls from Warhammer. Uh, I might, if you guys are really interested in me doing Warhammer, World of Warcraft prints and paints, let me know. Even though I don't play World of Warcraft anymore for it, but that's fine as well. But yeah, the trolls are pretty cool with the Jamaican accent and everything else in the game. This should be a better one. There we go, better picture of it. So this is one that's basically painted onto it. This would be like one of those jungle things too. And a lot of the trolls aren't that intelligent, but this one will be a lot more intelligent and with voodoo and so forth as well. I would love to print some of the Horde and some Alliance character. It's just freaking everything's getting too much expensive for me to keep up with. So that's one of those things. Skulls and so forth as well. VH miniatures for anime style or type of miniature as well. So we have a midnight auction. Two girls with a bunny outfit, but there should be a lot more. There should be a lot more than this. Auction house will have the base play structure. So that he's still building up because this was last month for it. Maja Miniatures this August preview. I think this will be for next month. For this month for it, but we already got this, so we'll see what happens with this one. Because I do like it. It's just too damn eats too much resin and I think 100 kilograms, 1,000 kilograms of resin is like $17, and it's not that great resin, but it's an okay resin of so forth. TPK Labs. We have a ranger, a wizard, barbarian, a bust, and a damaged tower. I may turn this into a dice tower row. I do need to build a dice tower row for it. We'll see. Anime Girl STL. Let's see, a Lucy for September. I would love to see that. I like Maki. I think I got Maki last month. So that's good. Inkman. A lot of mixture of figure prints for it. We're getting Gara for Warlord bonus. That's cool. And we have, I forgot his name. from Dead Space. And Cammy bonus. We got a lot of Cammy. I forgot her from Yu Yu Hakusho, or I believe she's from Yu Yu Hakusho, isn't it? Okay, September. Looks like I almost say Dante. I don't think this is Dante. This is from that one two go punch from the Switch. Her, I don't really remember. This one is from Persona. From I think it's from Persona 3, if I remember correctly. This one looks like from Street Fighter, but I don't know which one. Bomberman September preview. So we got some. We got the God Pokemon. We got the different evolution of Eevee. Whole bunch of stuff I should know, but I don't remember much of. But let's see the next one. And this is the welcome pack that's coming in here as well. Huh. See, the next one is Eva E. Savage for Prince. You will have. Fucking. You forgot the anime. So many anime. I know that's from Kill la Kill right there. This is from Final Fantasy 14. I think this is Final Fantasy 9. Not 9, 6. And I forgot what these three. I think this is from freaking Van Helsing from Veronica. Victoria, I mean. Next is Aquarium Workshop. Let's see what we're having for September preview. It's like, hopefully it's not another vampire. Yep, Seeker Vampire. Next one is a Night Vampire. We have so many goddamn vampire. We got Mage Vampire. Yeah, so many freaking vampires over the past several years doing this, and it's tiresome a lot of times. Daydomo miniatures for Warhammer 40k proxies. I know that we got this one from August, and then I don't think you have anything for September for it. Paul 3D Post. This is basically like mostly terrain, like diorama style. So we have like a zombie T-Rex in a looks like a Nordic diorama. We got the one from the big what you call it building and stuff like that for this as well. But this will be pretty cool to have for D&D. And so for you don't have to do a diorama, just get these separate and get the terrain pieces separate as well. But I think this would be pretty cool to have as well, especially the statue and everything else. Make it more immersive in the game when you play D&D. But yeah, the fence would be great to have. A lot of times terrains are great to have. It's just eats a lot of resin. So for Bruno R3DSTL, they are working on these three figures. I know that's Miss Marvel. Don't know what that is. But these are the three that they're working on right now. If you're into Marvel and DC figures, but I think these are all DC figures right here. Last one of part 6 until I find some more STL miniatures. We have Post Office for D&D, Postal Services, and we have Shipyard, and we have Trolls. So this is something that you may want to get. Crustacean and Underwater Divers. So we have a lot of post office stuff. So you want to have a postal service in your game. Now you can have it, and you can do like a delivery system and so forth for them, for the game for people as well. A lot of terrain pieces that I really do enjoy. These are like all $10. and I think it will be spectacular to have in my point of view. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out the links down below. Also, if you want to comment on stuff that you like and enjoy, please let me know down in the comments down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.